Hey guys, I'm Dusty from Utah. If you're putting a hitch on your Volvo XC90, you can take some real fun places, like biking, camping, even pull a U-Haul trailer. You will need the tools seen here to complete your installation. First, we're going to remove the bracket on the passenger side using a 15mm socket, and there are 2 bolts. Now we're going to move to the driver's side and remove the 2 bolts for the exhaust bracket, which are here and here. Now we're going to tilt our exhaust bracket down and out of the way for the installation easier. To make our installation easier, we're going to have to drop the spare tire. So your car comes with the stuff to drop your spare tire. You're going to need this piece, and the hook goes in just like this, and now we can lower the spare tire. Okay, there's 3 attachment holes on the passenger side, which is exact same as the driver's side. Here, here, and here. So to give us a little bit more room to get the hitch into place, we're gonna remove these 2 exhaust grommets right here, and we're gonna use a strap wrapped around the axle to hold it into place. So we'll spray it first with some soapy water. Now we're ready to put our hitch into place. I'm going to be using our exclusive U-Haul hitch jack. If you're doing this at home, you might want to get another set of hands. Okay, so it's a little tricky to get around the exhaust and the fascia, so we're going to bring it in at an angle. So there is a little bit of fascia trimming. So now with the hitch in place, we can take the manufacturer's measurements, mark it out, and trim it away so your hitch fits nice and snug. So now that we have it all taped off, we're gonna cut out just on the edge of the tape. Okay, now with our hole cut out, we're gonna put the hitch back into place. Okay, now we're just gonna slide our hitch back into the hole we just widened. So now we're ready to install our bolts. From the bracket we took out first, we're gonna use the 2 bolts that we took out of it, and we're gonna use a bolt and a conical washer to put it on this side. So the bolts we took off the bracket, we're gonna put in these back 2 holes right here. Okay, now on the driver's side, we took down the exhaust. Now we're gonna have to put the bracket back up and repeat what we did on the passenger side. Now we're ready to torque our bolts to manufacturer specification. There is a 15mm socket and a 19mm socket. So now with our hitch tightened up, we can put our rubber grommets back on and put our spare tire back up into position. Now that we've finished installing our hitch, we pulled it down to level ground so we can get some important measurements for you. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 14.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, drop for your hitch and hitch accessories such as bike rack and cargo carrier. Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and have fun. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or would like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaul.com.